I want to show you something really cool. It might be some kind of girls or boys. I don't know. Maybe so. It's something about outer space. It's a space book, and also it comes in a big. It's a big book. It might be talking about everything about space. I really like space because I want to be a scientist when I grow up and only study space. So it says it comes in the 3D glasses, and it says, and over here, it tells you all. It gets all the planets lined up in order how the solar system goes. First, we have Mercury, Venus here, Earth, which is our home planet. It's the right distance from the sun. That's why it's so close. And Mars. This is Mercury, and this is Mars. Jupiter, the first biggest planet. The second biggest planet in the solar system. And Saturn, Uranus. Some of you might think that Uranus isn't named Uranus, but it's Uranus because most times it says it's Uranus. So we got Uranus. Well, Saturn, you know that has rings, but Uranus, you don't know. But it really does. Neptune's here. It has rings. And Pluto. It says Mercury is the first smallest planet in the solar system. But you know what? Pluto looks smaller than Mercury. But here's one thing. It's not a planet. It used to be the smallest planet in the solar system before it got reclassified into phases. So now
it got reclassified in when?
2006. Before I was born. I was born in 2009. So, and it's 2015. So we got the pair of 3D glasses on the first page.
Show. You like hold it so you can see. Like hold it. There you go.
So we got a pair of 3D glasses. So we'll be back after we ripped it out. So we'll show you how it is in regular style and 3D glasses style. So we'll be back after we get it out. So kids, we got this pair of 3D glasses. This is how it looks like out of the book. Here's some nice detail. We got Venus, Saturn, and Mars on it. You can see. You know that Mars has storms and Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. And Saturn has the second strongest winds after Neptune. So, actually, look. Do you know what? That Mars has storms, and much of you get tricked. If you're a scientist, you get tricked by this because it's the hottest planet in the solar system. And this is Saturn and Mars, which is the coldest, which is cold. Let's look at the back. We got Mercury or Pluto. Yeah, it's Mercury. And Earth on here, which is our home planet. And we got Uranus. And on this side, we got Neptune, Pluto, and Jupiter. So that's how it looks like. Now let's do it. So now I'm going to tell you these names, these names of the sun. Can you see that this part is still there?
I can't see it.
Yeah.
Because we'll have to take it out later.
Yeah. So we'll take it out later. And here's the sun. It's pretty hot. It's pretty big. It's bigger than Jupiter. Wait.
It's bigger than the Earth.
Way bigger. Wait, bigger. Sounds like that. Oh, wait, a comet. There's a comet. It's going to crash into the sun. Here comes the comet. Yeah! It has the tail coming through her back. And it's getting faster. I was just kidding. I was just joking. So here's the sun. Gets heat by the comet. The comet gets heat by it. And it's mixed up with some ice and that ice melts, it forms something, I think, and it crashes into the sun. Tail comes out. This is Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. So it's so close to the sun that it's very hard to see from Earth. It's the smallest planet in our solar system, which I tell you. And it's not the hottest planet. There's scorching heat. That's a lot. At the Mercury, and they only cool up at the super freezing cold night as planet turns. So now let's move on to Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is very hot. So that means it's extreme hot. Oh wait, they made a mistake. It's supposed to be a little smaller than the Earth, but it's bigger. They got tricked on this book. So now
It's probably just because the Earth is further away than in the picture.
Yeah. So we got so Venus, and now we got the Earth. So, you know what? Oh, wait! It's supposed to be blazing hot here. They're not true, because it's the right distance from the sun. So on the book it's like 1 mile, 2 miles, 3. No, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days to the sun. And let's pretend you send a spacecraft to Mercury. Impossible. So we got this Earth, which is our home planet. Next is Mars. It it's called the red planet. It's because dusty rocks makes it has its red color. So, and it has storms. And now next is Jupiter. Gas giant in our solar system. You see that the gas giant is the second biggest planet. So it has storms on it, just like Mars. Storms. And one storm that you know is, I know you know this, is the big red spot right here. The big red spot. So next is Saturn. It's another gas giant, and it has the second strongest winds after Neptune. So Saturn is famous. You would like to look at it because for its beautiful rings. Scientists think when Saturn was young, there was a moon, and it exploded and doomed. So and that's how it got its rings. Next is Uranus. So Uranus is an icy, cold planet, and it's a gas giant. So Uranus might be the coldest planet in the solar system. Does have winds. So next is Neptune. Neptune is another gas giant. And it has the first strongest very, very fast. So after Neptune comes Pluto. Actually, Neptune was discovered by mathematics operations. So next is Pluto, not a planet. It got reclassified in 2006. So Pluto is smaller than Mercury. Pluto is smaller than a number of moons in our solar system. It's smaller than Triton. It's smaller than Triton, which is Neptune's moon, and it's smaller than Triton and Mercury. So Pluto that's good. So now we're going to head on to the 3D. So now the camera looks like red and blue. Now it's turning blue. Got It looks like that all the planets are hot.
Okay.
So now it's discovered. And we're just about to end this. So now let's bring in my dun 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 my big toy storage system. Can you see that? It doesn't have Pluto, but it has them stored. So it's the same order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. We got Pluto. Maybe it just shows the planet. So it tells you a story. It spins around, like just like that. You can see them spinning around. Sometimes this might be scary to tell you because Earth is our whole planet. Might get burned by the sun forever until the last star comes out. Done. Done would become not done and turn into dun 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 dun. A small white dwarf. So that because iron is dangerous to its sun. So now it can tell you some stories. The sun can glow, and it heats, and that.
Welcome to a journey of discovery to the depths of the solar system. Press a button
So
to
if you-
begin. This is the planet Saturn. This is the planet Venus. This Earth derived its name from Old English and German.
Okay, so now we don't have to say that. We need to turn it off. So now,
The journey will continue upon your return.
so now let's get back to the book. So now the book is you about
Facts about the solar system?
facts. There's only like 27 pages.
Mm.
So we're at the 4th page. You can see it. I'll show you it. It's getting quick. And now I'm going to put it and tell you about how it looks like in 3D. Okay, now the camera's red. So we got. Oh, it sounds like that. It looks not kind of like. Oh, it sounds like this is red. Okay, it sounds like the mountains. So you can see that there's a hot volcano there. So now I'm just going to keep it on my chin and show you the next thing. So here is so we'll slide out. Here is the planets: Mercury and Venus, Earth, the Sun. So it says that I think this can't be Murderton. Murderton is the only space I have to visit. So now this is how it looks like in 3D. 3D. There's not so much to read. You just have to read this. That's all. Done. So we got. Oh, it sounds like that. The spacecraft's big. You cannot touch it. Sounds like that Mercury's smaller, and it's red. I mean Venus, Earth. It sounds like that. It doesn't have that red spot. Am I touching it? Oh. So now we got Earth, which is red. All red. Red. What? So now we got 27 pages. We got this. Oh, I forgot. Okay. I got it there. So now I didn't need to pause the video. So now let's look at the pictures. Now I'm going to tell you how it looks like in 3D. Sounds like Venus is red. Earth sounds like oh my goodness! It looks like nothing that was discovered by it. It looks like that's mighty evil. So now, oh my goodness! It's the shape of a dragon. So that kind of looks like a mighty eagle. So now.
So, Tyson, tell the kids what you think of this book. You think it's a good book?
Yeah.
You would think you would recommend buying it?
Yeah.
Cool. You got it at you got it at your school book fair.
Yeah, it was the day I got it from it. It's new.
Mm-hmm. So we need to go. We need to wrap up.
Okay. So that's all for today. So this is the last page we're probably going to do, which is page 11 and 10. So now I'll see. Now I'll take you time for a look at it. Okay, so now.
Whoa, that's a 3D picture, actually.
What?
Yeah, that's an actual 3D picture. Not all the pictures are 3D, only the ones that are a certain way. But thanks for watching.
So
Do
now,
click like
actually,
and do subscribe.
Yeah. So now I'm going to. So it sounds like that. It's in a regular shape. Oh, it sounds like Mercury's rubber. So now it's time to go. We didn't have time to show you it because we spent time on this page.
Do leave comments, because that does help us.
Yeah, and we had to spend time on this and that. So that wasted our time to do all of the book.
Well, but you do love planets, don't you?
Yeah. So like and subscribe and comment here if you like outer space. If you like this video, comment also. So bye.
Thanks for watching.
And see you guys later. Bye. Now
Catch you next time.
Yeah, now let's do that sound like when it goes. So now, but turn it back on because I want to do.